drawing materials. You're gonna need a sharpener and a blending stump. You can get these on Amazon. Make sure it says Taiwan on it. They're the best ones. I'll have links for the blending stumps in the description. I usually have this big, huge one, but this should be fine. So this, and as for pencils, I like to stick to my number 2 pencil. So I also have this ebony pencil that I use a lot. And I also use a 5B. And the reason for these is because of how dark it is. So I'm able to use my blending stump a little better. So I'll make some demos and I'll explain why. So we're going to discuss the differences of these pencils and how these materials make a difference. So I'll start with drawing an eye. I'll draw another eye with the 5B, so this would be number 2 pencil. That's 5B. Let's try our ebony pencil. Okay, so now we're going to use our blending stump. Okay, they come in different sizes. You can use either one, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let me go ahead and use this blending stump, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of each one. But before we blend anything, why don't we see what the difference is? In terms of darkness, this is king, right? This is second, right? Second place, this is third. In terms of darkness. Let's see how it affects in terms of smoothness, like how much we get out of this, right? So shade. Let's see where it ranks. All right. Let's go ahead and try this one. Let me try to get any shade out of here. All right, let's do this one. Get the shade out. And this one I think had shade in it, so I'll just do another demo just to double check on that one. So. All right, this has no shade. Cool. Okay, so in terms of shade, in my opinion, there's subtleties. You can really feel the graininess on 5B, and it feels like the shade here wasn't as effective. But it looks like on the number 2, the shade was equally, it can get equally as dark. I mean, it depends what you're looking for, right? For me, I'd rather stick with the number 2. So, I've been using this because I just have it around. But I'm gonna start using number 2 pencils, and the cool thing is that you can get these at the 99-cent store. This paper is copy paper, like printing paper. This is, I believe, I forgot, 11 by 15 or 14. I can't remember, but this is just regular copy paper. It's called tabloid, and you can get a big ring for $30. So these are the materials that I use, and I'm actually quite surprised that the pencil, number 2 pencil, did so well. I haven't used it in a long time, but the results speak for itself. I really enjoy it. Looks good. So if you like these series of videos, please like and subscribe, and look at my playlist. I will have more demos for you. This demo was specifically for art materials, what pencils I use, and how do I shade. And these are the materials I will be using whenever I make my caricatures. Thanks for watching.